Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai. In this one, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test in the POCO F3 GT device. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to play in the POCO F3 GT. Let's see friends, how is the gameplay experience going to be there using with the 90 FPS. So first let me show you what is the temperatures at this moment. The temperature in the phone is about close to 35 degrees Celsius, as you can see clearly. Let me to open the Battlegrounds mobile game. And right now the outside temperature is about close to 34 degrees Celsius. And right now I'm trying to play at the 90 FPS only, as you can see friends, clearly 90 FPS. And you can see the real-time FPS also, it's showing about 94 FPS, not bad. As you can see friends, overall it was able to maintain really good. It's maintaining 91 FPS, no problem. As you can see friends, 90 FPS it's maintaining pretty good. So 86 and 91 FPS, that's pretty fast to finish the game. Now it's done. So let's start the test again friends with the 90 FPS. Let's see how is the temperature right now. It's 36.4 degrees Celsius. It's kind of slightly started to increase regarding the temperatures little by little. And I'll try to play the game for about close to maybe 8-10 minutes of time. Then I'll try to end up this video, just a couple of gameplays only, just to show you how is the real-time FPS meter is going on. And gaming triggers is fantastic friends. It's very fast response, as you can see. It's pretty fast. I did like the gaming triggers. That's pretty good. First point. So it's like first and last kill. I'll be very happy. First and last kill. I'm not sure for every time. Bullets nahi hai. Let's see friends, this time how is the temperatures after this match. I'll try to check the temperatures. Oh my god. 3 players. Just miss. So as you can see friends, overall, yes, I got just miss. So 87 FPS it's maintaining. always aim for headshot. Just miss. So 34 and 17 anyway, friends. I'll try to check the temperature after this match, so don't worry about the temperatures. Finally, first and last kill was mine. It's fantastic, and I say the temperature is about 37.6 and 37 degrees. Not bad regarding the temperatures wise. That's kind of good. And let's go to the main menu and let's start playing another game. Drop test. Let's do the drop test. So Pochinki drop test. Let's see. I'll be the drop test in the Erangel Pochinki map. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. So let's do the drop test and then I'll try to end up this video, friends. And here we go. We're getting about 80-90 FPS. So 87, it's kind of maintaining. 88. And let me know in the comment section below, friends, on what other smartphones you want me to upload this kind of 90 FPS gameplay. Definitely I try to upload, and lowest FPS is about 76 FPS. We did see the lowest value in this POCO F3 GT. I cannot aim him, friends, so I'm just trying to aim that far away person, but let's see. So right now it was able to maintain 90 FPS perfectly without any kind of problems, no issues. And let's check out the temperatures right now. It's 38.4 degrees Celsius, as you can see, friends. 38.4 degrees in the POCO F3 GT, not bad. So only using the config file and GFX tool, only you can actually play with the 90 FPS in the POCO F3 GT, unfortunately. Without that, you cannot play that. So official updates still we did not receive in this device, so that's another sad part. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.